like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of incoming inventory. I have 70 vehicles every week coming in, maybe more. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Various types of insurance losses. Right now you're looking at a 2020 ACURA MDX hybrid with front end collision damage. As you can see, right front apron is damaged here. Right front fender, right front headlight. Got damage into the ABS pump, is pushed back a little bit. Radiator condenser does look good. The engine is sitting in place. Doesn't look too bad. Need a right 3/4 nose replacement on this vehicle. Frame rail even looks okay, like it's sitting in place. So it was hit pretty high in the front. Let's do a quick walk around. You have to excuse the video, it's a little tight in here. Looks like the wheel did get pushed back into the rocker. That sunroof. No buckles in the roof. The doors back looks pretty clean. Be selling it with a salvage title. Again, this is a hybrid vehicle. It does start, it does drive under its own power. And when I say drives, I mean lot drives. We've only moved it in our facility. I don't mean you can drive it on the highway. Obviously needs repairs before it can be safely operated. Really nice tan leather interior. Rear climate control. Sunroof. 7-passenger. Really nice builder. Air conditioning, heated seats. You got the driver's side airbag deployed. You have a knee airbag that's deployed. Got a passenger seat airbag that's deployed. And I think one curtain airbag on the passenger side. Yep. It'll be on the website soon. We'll post detailed photos, pricing. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.